Have you ever tried okra with some butter bean and saltfish, also known as bacala? Then come with me. Boiling my codfish, bacala, saltfish, and I'll be making some green bananas and sweet potatoes. Did you all know that okra is rich in magnesium, folate, fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, K1, and A? Okra is a really healthy vegetable. I know not a lot of us like it, including myself. However, okra has lots of benefits, and especially for women, there are also a lot of benefits. Some okra and some butter bean on the menu. Not feeling for meat? Then run on over to Chalet's J.A. Biko. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and my seasoning blends will be out soon. Added a little black pepper because that's my business, and I won't be adding any seasoning in this. To give it any flavor and taste, feel free to do whatever you want. So I added 1 bag of already cooked okra, and I'll be adding some butter bean that I washed in this dish. Feel free to season yours. I am good with mine this way. And then I added in some bean along for additional fiber. There goes some okra and some butter bean. Real Jamaican style food, right? And the butter bean is for additional fiber to make sure you get your beans in. And then I covered for 5 minutes on low heat. Although the okra is already cooked, I still added on low heat.